Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer. So I just got done with my exercise morning routine and I decided to make a quick video, a quick tutorial actually, on how to make a brightening scrub. So a lot of people have been asking me, oh, how have you been able to maintain this skin color, you're glowing? I really do not use any cream. I just have some routines that I do that is a must, that I have to do them just for my skin to glow. One of them is my body scrub, and that's what I'm going to teach you today. A brightening scrub, you need some basic things like honey, you need fresh lemon juice, you need oil. I'm using vitamin E oil. I don't know if you could see it properly, but I'm using, guys, I'll write it down. I'm using a vitamin E oil, and I'm also using rose hip oil also, right? And I have my white sugar. I also have my brown sugar over here, and I have, oops, something popped. And I have my measuring cups. They're also very important, so you don't overdo. We stir, mix it properly, make sure it's well mixed. Now you can see it's too watery, so I'm going to add extra sugar in it. I think I'll go with the brown sugar. So this is the final result after adding the extra sugar. Your scrub needs to be this consistent and this thick, because after some time the sugar may start melting and that will forfeit the purpose of the scrub. I'm keeping it in my jar for storage and I'm going to put it in my fridge. If you do not want to put it in your fridge, you just make sure you put it in a very cool place. This is the end of my video, but before I go, I need to tell you some extra tips. I need to give you extra tips. Store this in the fridge. You can decide to make your jar full, but this is okay for me. And make sure you use your exfoliation sponge. Yes. And also, if you use the scrub, use warm water on your skin, like pour warm water on your skin so it can be soft before you scrub your body. Don't forget to use your exfoliation sponge. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, share and like this video. See you in my next video. Bye.